So that concludes our 7-Eleven Tesco Lotus ang arte. Tesco Lotus, let's go! So it's basically the same thing, of course. What do you expect? I was wondering why meron talagang mga tao na dito nag-grocery sa Tesco Lotus. I have this impression na Tesco Lotus is supposedly more expensive than the market. And I was wondering, napakalapit ng market, walking distance from Tesco Lotus. Why do people buy sa Tesco Lotus? Surprisingly, when Tesco Lotus goes on sale, it is much more cheaper than what you will find at the market. Especially kapag kailangan na nilang palitan yung stock nila. Kapag na-tempohan mo yon, you will be able to find good deals, very good deals as a matter of fact. These are mushrooms. I've tried these ones. They're good. So they are really pricey at this point, 109. But like I said, you have to wait for when it goes on sale. They're quite cheap. Like this one, for example, pineapples for 29 baht, the whole thing. It is on sale. It's on yellow. I don't think it's any different from what you'd see at the market. Yup, this one at 63 baht is not bad. I think it might even be cheaper versus that one that you can buy from the market. The things that you will see here at Tesco Lotus would be more or less the same things that you will see at 7-Eleven. So I just want to show you things na hindi ko na ipakita sa 7-Eleven. I'm gonna show them to you here instead. Price, ito usually yung brand na binibili ko, 147 baht. And it is on sale. Look, 147. This one is 199. This one is 165. And this one is 200. So I don't buy this pretty lady over here. Wait, guess what? I found something cheaper. White rice, 95. Yep, it's Tesco Lotus brand din pala. Okay, thumbs. See? It can be really cheap here at Tesco Lotus. Yep. I'll probably buy this one next. Difference of 50 bahts. And it's not even on sale yet. They have the sticky rice preparation where they put sesame seeds, cow tong, I don't know, another version of that. So they coat it with seeds and put flavorings. Masarap siya. These are offerings that you can give to the temples for the monk. Candles over here. It even says monk medical supplies. The same thing for this one. Ito rin. It's cheaper, pero this is ready for offering. Bigger baskets here. Well, I'm gonna buy this one. This is not a Thai product. It's made in Korea. Pero I've tried this one before and I like it. I'm gonna get this one. Original Thai beer, Bangkok, Thailand. I find Sing bitter. So I like Leo, Chang. Oops. There you go. I like Chang when iced. Spy. Spy is also very popular here. Tuwing merong mga gatherings, meron yan. Pepsi in my area. So this is the coffee that I have at home. Netflix cards for 1,500. 1,500. Cool, right? So even if you don't have a credit card or a debit card, you can watch your favorite movies and series in Netflix. Oh, so they also have these ones for Line. PlayStation, they also have So this section is for items they have to clear out, and they would always be very good deals. So let's find out what we have here. Food supplement. At dito ko lang talaga siya nakikita sa Thailand. Usually, makikita niya sila sa mga movies, series, squeezable milk and strawberry. Bila ka ng bread sa school or sa work, tapos squeeze mo lang siya like that. One thing that I noticed here is mahirap bumili ng cheese in large amounts. If you notice, it's quite expensive, 69 bahts, 68 bahts for this amount. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko sa bahay. Hindi ganitong color pero pareho ng brand. Ito rin, this is effective. It takes the bad smell away. Tamarind herbal soap. Natural tamarind mask. Carnation Plus in a squeezable bottle. Very popular to sa mga bata especially. Magsha-shave lang ng eye, sinamanong, tapos ibubuhos to and that's it. Ito naman yung 2 toothpaste brands na na-try ko na sa bahay. Darlie Tip Neom Herbal Toothpaste. Some cute items on sale. Air fryer. Barbecue grill. Usong-uso to dito, hindi siya pwedeng mawala. Lalo na to, sabi sa akin, every family has this. And this. Or this. So that concludes our 7-Eleven Tesco Lotus episode. Ito lang yung binili ko. Ketchup on sale. At noodles. Kasi marami pa naman talaga akong supply sa bahay. I don't really need to buy these items pero nakakahiya naman kasi umikot-ikot na ako. Wala akong bibilhin, medyo nakakahiya. Alright, so thank you for watching this episode with me. I hope you enjoyed the content for today. And please subscribe, like, comment, let me know if there is anything that you would like to see around this town, and I'd gladly make that video for you. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.